Okay, so we're doing another test, and this test is to ascertain how well the unit will perform with two heaters going at it. So I have my thermocouple inside. Let me turn the light on. Don't know that will help, but everything is already plugged in. It says it is 82 degrees at its thermocouple, which is directly over the coil in there, not touching the coil, thankfully. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the motor on. The motor comes on, everything is right. And we're going to turn the temperature monitor on and let it boot up. There we go, everything's booting up properly. 28 degrees, that's right. Then we're going to turn the heating elements on and hope the breaker doesn't go. Alright, cool. Alright, so intermediate change in the read here. Let me turn that light off, see if I can help. It already says 90 degrees. So let's see if I can zoom in just a hair here. And I'll try to turn it back on again. It's 118 degrees on the inside there. There we go. Alright, so we're seeing already a really good temperature climb. Ooh, wow, that is getting hot fast. So that's what I want to see. So we're just going to let it run, check the temperatures of things as it runs. And the whole reason of this exercise is to see what kind of temperatures we can get previous to roast. And it looks like I'm getting what I want. This is pretty awesome. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is the type of temperature rise that I want to see. Now, I'll need to get a better programmable interface device, but you know, it's 200 and almost 300 degrees in 2 minutes. I think I can be happy with this. At 340, still climbing, doing good. This is what I want to see. If I can break 400, then that's what I want. I want to be able to break 400. We're at 114 degrees on the top in 3 minutes. This is looking like a good positive test. So, while we're doing our testing, I'm going to talk about some of the things that I'm doing here. We're almost going to break 400 actually. Looks like we're looking good. So the first thing that I do today is I bought some ceramic tumbler media, and I'm going to load that hopper, load the drum up as it's spinning with a ½ pound at a time to see what I can maintain a temperature at. And the reason I'm going to do that is because the ceramic media will do two things. It will deburr the inside, and it will also give me a good choice of weight. I'll weigh this with a digital scale. And it has been less than 4 minutes and I broke 400 degrees on the inside. I am loving this. So, this is looking like a good positive test. I'm freaking thrilled. 4 minutes. 420 degrees. The motor is still running. Motor is barely warmed up. Bridge rectifier is at 83 degrees. The heat sink beneath the relay is at 88 degrees. Nothing is at a failure point. This is what I want to see. And we are Approaching 5 minutes. We're at 445 degrees. And that is 5 minutes. Why are the temperature readings so different? Is because this sensor is at the top. And so it's not directly over the heating element, the main heating element. The main heating element is the one reading 460 degrees. That's 1400 watts. The side elements are reading a nice good temperature too, but they are infrared and have a focus point of approximately 1.5 inches out, 1.25 inches out from them. So I have to wait until the drum's in there to get a good positive reading from that. So this is looking good. This is what I want to see. Everything seems to be operating properly. The motor is still spinning, and we are now at 6 minutes. I'm going to stop the test as soon as it breaks 500 degrees. The wires are not even getting warm. We just broke 500 degrees. Oh, this is awesome. At the 7-minute mark. That is what I want to see. I think I'm going to try to let this bottom one break 200, though it's going rather slow. If you want to stop watching now, that's quite okay. I'm happy. Uh-oh, something released a magic smoke. Bad news. That's that controller. Damn it, I knew that thing was cheap. But I broke 500 degrees. I'm happy. That's it. I unfortunately have to order another one of these though. But at $8, I couldn't expect that much from it.